Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1958 Packard. Rebuilt 289 under the hood. Edelbrock Carburetor. Air conditioning. Power steering. Motor's also rebuilt. Runs and drives great. Car came from Nevada. You don't really see these around. Very cool car. Love the taillights. So jet aged. New exhaust, new gas tank. Also has leather on the outside, which is pretty cool. Nice straight body. Brand new tires. Interior was also redone. Tons of receipts for this car. The carpet seats were also reupholstered. Nice that it has air conditioning too. 65,532 miles. Really runs nice. I can't keep it running too long in here. JVC Sound System. A silver stitch in these. Really cool. He sets it off. Packard Baker. It looks like the Studebaker. Very cool. Well, guys, if you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.